You're writing an obituary and you have to list the survivors, and you're not sure who they all are or how to spell their names or whether some of them are still alive. This is a real and under-discussed problem, especially when the person who died was the family's last keeper of information. Understand what the survivor list is doing. It's not just tribute. It's the document other people will use to find this family for decades. Genealogists, heir searchers, probate courts, distant relatives. Getting it right matters far beyond the week it's published. So, a few practical things. Use current legal names for married daughters, because that's what makes them findable later. Include cities, because a name alone is nearly useless to a searcher 20 years on. Predeceased relatives get named too, and that's how a tree assembles. The omissions are what cause damage. An estranged child left off an obituary is a wound that never heals, and it also creates a legal problem if there's an estate, because an heir is an heir regardless of what the obituary says. If you genuinely don't know whether someone is living, find out before you publish. Getting it wrong in print is permanent. Prior family obituaries are your best source. They map the tree. Where you're missing branches entirely, that's a locate, and it's usually fast. Locator Skip Tracing.com has been supporting families since 2004. Subscribe now and see you on the next video.